Now we all know, last month, a brother that's very dear to all of us, John Singleton, who directed Fast 2 Furious, you know what I'm saying? Yo, I met this man a couple of years ago while he was filming Four Brothers with Tyrese, Andre 3000, and Mark Wahlberg in Toronto. He was a great guy, man. I'm telling you, he was a good man. He opened a lot of doors for people like me. So, rest in peace, John Singleton. We love you. I know right now you're probably directing some movie up there with Paul, getting it done up there. You know what I'm saying? So, rest in peace. Rest in peace to Andrew. You know what I mean? My man Andrew. You know the orange car there? He was building that car because he had a lot of love for Paul Walker. You know what I mean? A lot of love. And he passed away a month ago. So rest in peace, my man Andrew. You know what I mean? And I also want to say, fuck cancer. You know what I'm saying? Fuck this bullshit cancer. You know what I mean? Fuck cancer. It's been taking too many lives, good people out there. And hopefully they're going to have a cure to fix this bullshit. Now, oh man, you don't understand, you know what I mean? I had to fight hard to get here, you know what I mean? Because I had a little surgery here, but I'm doing better. But I wasn't missing this for the world. I don't care if I had to come here in a wheelchair. I wanted to come and hang out with all of you. Because you guys came to show love for my friend Paul Walker, I needed to come and show some love for you guys. You know what I'm saying? You guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You guys are beautiful. I love you guys. I'm telling you the truth. You guys are amazing. The weather has been bullshit. Last year, you guys showed up. This year is so, but you guys are still here. And I love you guys. So again, one more time, round of applause for you guys. Thank you. So now, I want you guys, before I go, I just want to say one thing. It's very important that we, you know, in this madness world we're living in, there's too much hate around the world, and I keep saying this over and over. We gotta come together as one. Brothers, sisters, black, white, blue, I don't give a shit. I want you guys to love and hug each other, because it's all about family. You know, Vin Diesel said it best, it's all about family. And to me, you guys are my family because you guys all showed up for Paul Walker. You all showed up for my man John Singleton. You guys showed up for my man Chad Lindberg and myself, Gouchy Boy, and Dominic, and everybody up in here. You know what I'm saying? Thank you guys. Remember, it's family. All about family, all about love. Peace and love. Gouchy Boy, I'm out, y'all.
Thank you everybody for being here. This is my third year for the Paul Walker Memorial Ride, and it's a huge honor. It really is. Don Dubray, you are my brother, and it's because of you, dude. It's because of you that all these people are here, and it's because of all of you you showed up, because we all have the similar passion, and we're all here for Paul Walker. And let me tell you, his spirit is alive in each and every one of you. He was one of the coolest guys that ever existed. And he's still here. And I want to thank all of you for being here. Rest in peace, Paul. Rest in peace, Andrew. And rest in peace, John Singleton. And on that note, I think we're going to have a moment of silence for Paul. So let's go ahead and start. We're going to have that moment of silence right now. Right on. All right. Everybody, let's give a huge, huge round of applause. Thank you, Autodrome, for having us. And we will do this, and we are not done by far. So on that note, let's handle business. Let's ride. Let's ride.
All right, fire 'em up! We go live inside. It's time for ignition and straight up automotive.